The entrance glow up. Hollow red bricks lay the foundation for a brand new set of steps. A solid concrete pour is topped with light gray granite tiles and contrasting dark risers, completely elevating the home's curb appeal. From plastic to premium sofa. 3 basic plastic lawn chairs are stabilized with cinder blocks and wrapped in mesh, coated in layers of concrete, painted sleek white, and fitted with plush pink cushions. They transform into a high-end, weatherproof outdoor sofa.
3 whole chairs became this beautiful concrete sofa. Strong, stylish, and surprisingly easy to make yourself.
Garden walks and fountains. A real tropical leaf is used as a concrete mold, then painted in rich autumn tones to create an organic garden path. Stacked egg trays form a unique textured concrete mold. Once cured, it's painted vibrant yellow and topped with a solar fountain. The rolling tire planter. An old car tire is fitted with a wooden base and caster wheels for mobility. Wrapped in torched vertical wood slats and stained, it becomes a beautiful rustic home for a vibrant bougainvillea. Backyard Oasis Fountain. A multi-tiered brick feature boasting a slate-tiled accent wall and a built-in water basin, complete with a clay jug waterfall. Eco-friendly hex tiles. Thousands of plastic bottles are melted down, dyed emerald green, and poured into hexagonal molds. The durable, glossy tiles are laid out to create a striking geometric honeycomb walkway. The Gothic lace floor lamp. An old lace tablecloth is soaked in liquid cement and draped over a stand to harden. Painted matte black and fitted with an internal bulb and branches, it turns into a dramatic, shadow-casting art piece. S-curve modern border. A messy side yard is cleared out, lined with weed barrier, and fitted with modern path lights. Flexible edging creates a clean, flowing S-curve that sharply separates tan pebbles from dark gray stones. Rainwater harvester. 3 clear water jugs are stacked in a wooden frame and connected via PVC pipes to the roof gutter. It lets you visually track rain collection, storing free water to easily hose down the vegetable garden.